Hello, my name is Adrian Fernando Garcia Ortiz. I'm 34 years old. I am from Chiquinquirá, Boyacá. I live in Chiquinquirá with my parents and my brother. I am a student. I am working in logistics sometimes. My hobbies are play soccer, ride the bicycle, watch sport on TV, and I like cleaning. I am studying psychology in the UNAD University. My favorite food is the pizza, meat and fish. I like watching sport on TV. My favorite sports are soccer and cycling. My daily routine: I get up at 7 in the morning, take a shower, I dress up and have a breakfast. I clean my room. I go to work. I help my mom in the house. And sometimes I cook. I enjoy that. At noon I have the lunch, and sometimes I pick up my nephew at the school. I love him so much. I ride the bicycle 2 days in the week. In the afternoon, I study and do my homework for the university. And sometimes I read some books in my house or at the public library. At night, I watch news on TV or a football match, or I see a movie, and I go to sleep at 11. Thank you.